Right here we have this clean black and orange custom PS5 controller from Clutch Controllers. These orange buttons really pop out against this black, especially against this glossy black accent. But we also have mouse click shoulder buttons and triggers on this controller. So super fast, super clicky, satisfying feedback on these. You can really sort of rapid fire with these. This is a really nice build. There's no paddle back buttons on this one, but you definitely can't go wrong with these mouse click mods from Clutch Controllers. If you want to build your own, check out clutchcontrollers.com.